Raleigh's Welding World Summer Pipeline Boot Camp. Let's weld, baby.
There was something about just getting up in the morning and firing up that machine and being independent and welding off the rig that I had, that engine drive. Something inside of it just drove me, you know. I was inspired by the fire that I was lighting every day. That's what got me higher. That's what was taking me and pushing me towards my desire in life. So you've got what it takes to be a welder? You want to learn to weld like a pro? There's only one way to the top, bro. Once you get the ball rolling, never slow your roll. Finally starts clicking. You want the skills? You want the technique? You know where to find me. Building America up, one welder at a time. Also providing solo sessions and package deals. See you soon.